So, guys, welcome to Luxor. This is Imad, your tour guide. We have new friends from Hungary, Turkey, Greece. Welcome. We have Brazil, we've been together. Okay. So we have friends from Brazil, from Japan, from Korea, Pakistan, Russia, India, and Australia. And this is Imad, your tour guide today. I'm from the UK. Okay. My father is Egyptian, my mother from the UK. Okay. This is our first stop today, my friends, which is the Colossi of Memnon. Colossi of Memnon are two great seated figures built by a pharaoh called Amenhotep III. Amenhotep was one of the pharaohs of 18th dynasty, 1400 BC. So those are 3,400 years old. And there was a temple behind it, but because of the age and the people, the temple is very much ruined, broken, and we see excavations going on behind it. Built long time ago, but later given name Memnon. Do you have an idea who is Memnon?
Yeah.
He's yours, you're from Greece. He's Agamemnon. Agamemnon, the Greek warrior hero of Troy War. So when Greeks colonized Egypt, 300 BC, they came to Luxor, they came to this site, and in the early morning, there was a sort of whistling, like, so the Greeks thought must be the spirit of Agamemnon. He was whistling to his mother goddess Aurora. In fact, the whistling was not of Agamemnon, it was of the wind when it goes through the cracks of the statue to the right, which was later restored. No more whistling has come up. Good to know, my friends. Each one of them was made out of one single piece of sandstone, 600 tons each, 16 meters high. Look at the one to the left side, it's in a good condition, one piece, while the other one to the right was restored, looks out of many pieces, but originally each was one piece.